before I start this video, let me say, you need to assess yourself in any situation to make sure that you do not need to go to the hospital before you do these steps. What's up? This video, kind of a downer, but I've had problems with YouTube, the application on here, but I've got that fixed. That was on my end, that wasn't on y'all's end, if y'all watching that is. So hopefully this works, which is why you're getting multiple videos today, and not just one. But today, like I said, today's video, kind of a downer. If you work with animals long enough, you're going to get hurt eventually. And I got bit by this guy. Come on. I know, he's vicious. We were roughhousing, by the way. And he's not. Kind of sad that he did it. But see, Daddy gonna be okay. He'll be alright. Video. Roughhousing, we were playing. But I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I kind of carry with me, just in case I do get scratches and bruises, you know, stuff like that. Not necessarily bruises, but scratches and bites. I don't need to go to the hospital. I need to get Band-Aids and realize that now. But, I mean, that's not bad. It's just like right, sort of right there on the nail. But I'm going to show you some of the stuff. One is, I always carry toilet paper with me. I'm also going to show you how to use one of the things that I carry. So stick around, I'll be right back. Now, one of the things that I do carry is some type of grain alcohol. Okay, grain alcohol, not first aid alcohol or wood alcohol. That contains meth. Okay, now it's not the meth that we all think of as drugs. You have to add some stuff to it, but it is a poison. Okay, I can carry grain alcohol simply because this is just pure ethanol, okay? It's only going to poison you if you drink too much of it, okay? Now this right here is not necessarily a big must, okay? But I'm going to show you why I carry it here in a little bit. Another product I carry, can't go without, I always carry toilet paper. In this video, I don't remember, but I always carry toilet paper with multiple uses. Okay. Another thing that I usually carry with me that I don't have at the moment, maybe get some Band-Aids. Okay. Simple Band-Aids. All right. And this method that I'm about to show you with the paper, the toilet paper, you can use part of it to on the Band-Aid too. So another thing that I usually do carry with me, I have this stuff around the house. That's why I'm trying to film this sections too. Might take me a little bit longer, but it's labor of love. Anyways, another product I usually carry with me, some type of beeswax and vitamin E or aloe. There's another product out there that I can't remember the name of that has this stuff in it. I make this myself though, so I have bees. You know, might as well make it myself. But beeswax mixed with either vitamin E cream or aloe vera or all three. You know, sometimes they use all three. And with this, on a cut or a wound, you do want to kind of wait till it heals up a little bit. Got a cat scratch right there. I deal with animals. So. But what you want to do is you want to rub it in there. And this one's kind of a little bit old. Rub it in there like that. And then That's it. Okay, that'll heal back faster. Cause less scarring. Causes less scarring. That's basically what I carry. When I go out in the woods, I don't really carry a lot of. When I go out to the forest, I don't really carry a lot of expensive stuff. I don't carry like the first aid kits at Walmart for certain reasons. They're mainly personal preferences. Anyways, I'm going to show you how I use the alcohol. Okay, and there is a certain way to use it. But there's a certain way to use it. I'll show you here in a little bit. Okay, what you do with the alcohol, I'm just going to use my bandage here because it's not that bad. Is you want to take the top off of it, and then you want to pour it a little bit, not a lot, over your bandage, and then you're going to want to wrap your bandage around. Kind of good enough. I'm at my house, so it's not going to be. It's not going to really do anything to me. But you're going to kind of want to wrap your bandage around your thumb, or place it over top of your cut or wound, and then wrap it with some electrical tape. You could do the same with Band-Aids, okay? But you just use a lot less alcohol, maybe a drop or two. But you do want a high-proof alcohol. This is 190 proof, which is, I think, 95%. Yeah, 95% alcohol. You do want anything 50 and above, okay? 50 and above is going to get you that maximum kill. That's why I use a lot of high-proof alcohol. Should have said this at the beginning of the video, but before you do these steps for real, please consult with your doctor. This is just, sorry, turkey vultures. This is just through my experience, what works with me. What works with me may not work with you. Your doctor may not recommend it because certain health reasons. Yeah, but anyways, go along with it. After your wound scab's over, you do want to go with the beeswax, aloe vera, and vitamin E cream, or something that's going to make your wound heal faster. Neosporin works, okay? There's a product out there, I think, called Triple Sec, I think. Oh, it's a triple antibiotic. That works too, okay? So, peace. I will see you in another video, hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully you'll enjoy these videos that I posted on here. Peace out.